because you cannot stand it any longer.
Nice.
Columbia River.
What's that? Eat. Food. Little garden outside. And it will experiment. He cried. Jacques entered at this moment, balancing a load of dishes in his hands. I hope you find these native delicacies to your liking, nobody remarked coldly.
All night, and to not have a scrap to eat in the morning mightily takes the courage out of one.
I never want to see food again.
I heard one of the sailors say that unless the storm abates, we are likely to be cast upon the French coast. I should be glad to be cast. Advent Lego fans go here.
In God's hands are all. The reward means he sees fit. And boy, you tell.
Oh, those are cute jackets. Match.
Gold stays at the bottom of the bowl. You know why? Yep. Exactly.
Hey, bud.
But it's a lot of
America, Chip. And Rosie's gonna go on Cash. Yeah.
All those horses stay in that province, you see?
Bear, that's so cool, you cowboy.
Well, the petty is this building looks like. It says, please do not climb on the cow. Yeah, you can go in.
Welcome to the Fairbanks.
Why, hello. Thank you.
With pineapple and raspberry. Like, let's see if you keep doing this. And I'll go get the sugar part to keep it all together.
There's room in the back.
I'm always so digging this stuff is phenomenal. Your John.
I think there's an exception to scripture.
Mac and cheese
Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world to my head just to find out your place better. Oh, your ways better. Oh, your ways better. Oh, your ways better. Jesus, your ways better.
There it is. Where's it?
Behind the door, behind the door.
Ready, Bear?
I'll put my foot here. I want to open
Dad beat one once with a shoe. He actually.
Your foot here.
Okay.
Like that.
Oh,
I'm scared.
Wait, keep
It's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
should I kill it with my flip flop?
No, Mom, let it be. Don't kill it, it's fine.
Dad killed it with a flip flop once.
No, leave this
Oh
one.
my word! Look
Leave
at this.
that one.
Oh my goodness.
That was fine.
Where's he?
Oakley. Hi, Oakley. Oakley. Show everyone your cute bandana. Naya gave you a bandana. Oakley. Oakley's like, my mom's fine. Look at that little baby. Hello, Oakley. Itchy, okay.
She's like, this bandana's annoying.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Where are we?
You're Boise.
Meridian. What store are we going to?
Trader Joe's.
I never did that.
55, yeah.
You did that. I did.
Careful, there's a train. Okay, Rosie, ready?